Hello everyone, welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. This one, I'm going to show you how to take dark footage that you've got on your phone or however you filmed it, and I'm going to show you how to brighten it and lighten it correctly. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. I've got this lady here in this footage. I've deliberately selected very, very dark, almost too dark footage where you can just see her, she's doing her thing, and she's completely in the dark. And then I've added in some adjustments, and I'll just move it to the start here so that you can see what it looks like. And then now I've relit this scene using just CapCut to do this. So how did I do that? Let's go through it step by step. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this and delete it. Okay, so again, we've got our footage. We're starting from scratch. Okay, the first step here, we're going to go right to the first screen. And you're going to want to go, you know how you see the edit? You want to go to the right side here, and you want to click on the adjust option. The most important one, of course, as you've probably guessed, is brightness. But when you jack up the brightness all the way, it's brighter. But do you see how it's put in a color cast? So we've got a very, very cool and a very blue tint to the film or to the footage that we don't necessarily want in most cases, unless you're filming a horror film. Maybe then you can keep it in. So we're going to go ahead and make a couple of other extra changes. Contrast. We want to pull the contrast down a bit because that gets rid of a little bit of the blue. Same with the saturation, you can adjust it, but generally you want the saturation to come down quite a bit because again, we're trying to nullify the blue. The exposure usually will go up a little bit because that allows you to be brighter footage, and that's what we're going for. We're going for a brighter look. So again, we're just going through this here step by step. The other one you want to do is the HSL, which stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. In particular, you'll probably want to adjust, in this case, the blue. So I've clicked on this darker blue, and then you'll see here I can adjust it up and down depending on what you want. The hue, not a huge factor, but again, I'm going to pull the saturation down a little bit, and I'm going to increase the luminance just a little bit, that meaning it making a little bit brighter. Luma is basically brightness. So we've gone ahead and completely changed the look of this shot here. Let's go through one more thing. I'm going to show you the temp. This is the temperature of the shot. This is basically like a bluish look is a cool temperature, and an orangish look is like a brighter temperature. So if I push this up or if I push this down, obviously in most cases we want to move this up. We want the temperature to go up. So I'm going to go ahead and there, adjust it to that point. Now, you'll see here, now if we look at the original shot, I'll go back here. This is the original shot. And this is the adjusted shot. This is a lot brighter. We see a lot more of her. It's not perfect. If you want to do great color correction, you can use a tool like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. There's a lot of really, really good ones, but this is how you do it. And now, if I wanted to go in and make it even extra brighter, I have a few other options. I can either go in and make some adjustments. So I can just click on this and then just start making adjustments again. I've already made some, or I'll show you another really cool trick. You can click on it and then watch this, hit copy, and it applies a second layer. Now this is way too bright, it's blown out, I get that, but you can go into this second layer and then you can start making adjustments. Like you can, we can decrease the opacity, we can reduce all sorts of things. So that is generally how you get dark footage, put it into CapCut, make it brighter in just a few minutes there. Thanks for watching, guys. Ton more stuff coming up, stay tuned.